Hello and welcome. In this video I set up monitoring on Kubernetes with Rancher. Only requirement is Rancher. So let's log in to Rancher and open a new Cluster Explorer view. From left the corner you find App and Market. Here is available multiple useful tools and the monitoring tool. This tool has Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring Kubernetes properly. Select which project you want to put this tool. Other settings can be default. You could configure persistent storage for this if the need for some reason. Then launch the installation. After some time installation is ready and monitoring tools can be accessed. Monitoring tool can be found on left corner menu. Grafana draw nice metrics about Kubernetes. Everything is ready configured. One thing can configure which is alerts on email or some chat. First create alert receiver like email receiver. There can be multiple receiver on same email. My mail relay is not yet ready, maybe later. Then go to routes to change routes to point your receiver so it gets alerts. How to check alert. Something from AWX. OK, AWX namespace is down, not bad in this case. This can be silent and look later. Fill creator and comment, then push create. Alert come back after 4 hours. Thanks for watching and see you soon.